Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan in Bundaberg, and I have a 33 and a third inch old LP that I'm going to pour over, and I have put a white base on which has been sitting there now for probably 10 minutes. So I'm hoping it'll be alright. What I would like to do, I'm going to turn it into a clock, but I've got some strings here, there's two here and 2 here, and some blue paint and some lovely red, and I'm going to do a couple of feathers, and hopefully I've done one feather once and it was rather ordinary, but I'm hoping this won't be. Now I thought I'd do red, blue, red, and then blue, red, blue, and have them the same but different. That's the theory. So with that, I'm going to put some paint on my paper. I might, hopefully this works out. Right, that looks like enough paint. Get in of that one, and the blue in the middle on this one. It's got a bit of white paint on it, that's okay. There's no silicone in the red or the white, but I think there's a little bit in this blue, which is a leftover from a previous pour. Okay, so there we go. I'll just do one at a time and see how they go. As I said to you, I haven't done this before. Well, I have just the once, but it was rather ordinary when I did do that first one. So, here we go. I'm nervous. Oh yes. Well, we have the start off, don't we? I don't know about that white bit there though. Where's the red? Little, bring that around. Yes. Well, that is so pretty. And now this one, where'd I put this? Did I use both strings that time? Can't find my string. Oh dear. Alright, let's use one of these. I'll just make sure he's covered with paint. One with this centerpiece. And around, lay him down, approximately the same spacing. To pick him up now, don't I? did not work very well at all. Obviously, too much paint. So let's see if we can do it this way. Not too bad. I can fix that, I'm sure. This one comes down a bit. Then I can use the blue. Need a cloth. Ugh. Too bad. I can live with that. I'll just get some of this off here. I do have some more white paint here. Thanks. Just to do this. I think that's pretty neat. Yes. Now I'm wondering if I should have the other one coming that way. But I do need another piece of string because I don't know what I did with that. Oh yes, I've used two over there for this side. Maybe that's what the trick is. But we'll soon see, won't we? Alright, scissors. Now I'm going to change the colour scheme here. So I want some red in the middle. Oops, very hot today. Sounds like tin cans moving. What sort of can is it? Can't see. Alright, there's one. Where's my blue? Get another one. Okay. The pouring medium and the paints recipes you'll find under Show More below this video. You'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. And I like that. Alright, stop looking at it. Get on with this one. I think I will. One string this time. Right. Yes, I think it worked better with two. Alright. Put that back in there. There's a skewer. Make sure he's got paint on him. And we'll go up the other side with two. And then I'll sort out that side that I've sort of missed. Okay. Right. I did need 2 strings, I think. I'll just put these back again and redo that side. That's my gecko. I have several of them living here. And they make funny noises and they keep me entertained at night. And they're chasing bugs and beetles. They're quite funny little fellows. Okay, here we go with this one. See if I can't get in on the line of that one. Wrong way around. Right. Not so bad. Alright, now my trusty little knives. Red first by the look of that. A lot of paint. There's another trick to the trade, less base coat. But that's looking good just the same. And here needs to be a bit thinner. Just doing a little fiddling here, finish my feathers off. Some of these colours out. Very hot here today. I have to do something with the centre here yet, but I'll just do this part here first. This clock's going on my wall. I've got to do another one yet, I'd like to. And perhaps I'll do 2 feathers, see if I can't get that down a little bit better. I'm perspiring profusely here. I don't want to stop. I want to do this while I'm on a roll. I'm really happy with this. It's going to be beautiful on my wall. Alright, now the only other thing, that blue streak, where's my white? Okay, you can come off. And you, here, go, Uru, go away. And just put some white on there. Okay, so They're not exactly scented, but that's okay because it's my clock. And I just wiped this paint off the floor because I'm stepping on it. I don't want to take it upstairs to the tiles. Okay, so I'll bring you down to have a look and see what you think. I'm quite impressed with it. Once it's dry, it'll be a lovely clock, and I'm very happy I did it. And I'm pleased you were here to see me fiddle with it. Okay, so that's what I've been looking at, and you can see it has a few cells. I'd say that's a reaction to the Floetrol. I didn't do the centres, did I? Yeah, I'll run those in a second after I've shown you here. Yeah, that's, you can see how pretty they are. Got the laces and just a little bit of cells which don't break it up, which is good because sometimes the cells get into your little lines and things and they mess with it. Sorry about the shadow, there's not much I can do about that, I'm afraid. Alright, well, there we are. So, thank you very much for watching. I'm just going to do that little centre line, that's no big deal. And I'll catch you in the next video, or over at Australia Art Dreaming. Please give this a thumbs up. Click subscribe if you haven't already, and the little bell, and you'll be notified when I do more videos. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.